From the heavy-duty automotive and aerospace industries to precise sheet metal fabrication, creative signage making, intricate jewelry production, and modern architecture design, laser cutting is reshaping manufacturing everywhere. Here is the #1 question we get from buyers worldwide. How thick can a laser cutting machine actually cut? Well, it all depends on two critical factors: the laser type and the power output. Let's break it down. First, CO₂ lasers. These are the go-to choice for non-metals. Depending on the machine's power, a CO₂ laser can effortlessly cut non-metallic materials like wood and acrylic up to 20 mm thick, leaving a polished, flawless edge. Next up, the beast of metal processing, fiberlasers. Fiberlasers are designed to dominate metal sheets. Depending on the laser power, they typically cut through metals ranging from 1 mm to 25 mm, or even thicker for ultra-high power systems. Whether you need to cut delicate acrylic or heavy-duty steel, Suntop has the perfect solution tailored to your power and thickness needs. Contact us today to find your ideal machine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below.